Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave me comments down below. If you feel like this video would be helpful to someone else, please feel free to go ahead and share that with them on your Instagram, on your TikTok, however else you can share it. It would be much appreciated. So let's get right into today's video, which is tracking our expenses. First, we're going to go with what is on our credit card. For our credit card, we currently use our Saver One card. And so let's get into that one. This looks weird. I usually have it on the website. Yeah, okay. It looks kind of strange. Maybe if I turn it this way. No, this is on the app. On the Apple, it looks a little different to me, but we're gonna rock with it. So I'll bring y'all in a little bit. And I think on this device, you actually can see it a bit more. So what do we have going on? We have a due date of November 3rd, and then we have the most recent. So let's view. Oh, good. Now we can see everything. So I was like, what in the world? I'm learning. Y'all, I'm learning. So our most recent transaction, we made 2 payments, but I know we have these 2 still to pay that just cleared. Where's my calculator? So we have $48.42, and we also have $53.43. Both were groceries. And because of that, you guys, I did not buy any groceries this week. I think I just need to go get some hoagie rolls, and that'll be that. So we had $48.42 plus $53.43, and gives us $101.85. 101.85, I guess I have to go back to see that. 101.85 is what is due on the card. So we're going to work on paying that. This going to be easy. Let's go ahead and log that first in our thing. Oh, look at the doggies back. So I love the name Fluffy. A lot of people agreed. And I also like the name Muffin. A couple people added that as they like that name. So we're going to call her Fluffy Muffins. Fluffy Muffins. I love it. It's super cute. And so those transactions were, I don't know because I have to open them back up. On, it doesn't tell me what day. Oh, October. Well, they cleared on 10/7. So both cleared on 10/7. And one was Aldi, and that was Groceries. And then the other was Publix, also Groceries. And the Aldi purchase was $48.42, and the Publix purchase was $53.43. So I'll go ahead and I will add those to our running total. The last total we had was $96.85, and we're adding $48.42, which equals $145.27. And then we need to also add $53.43, which brings us to a total of $198.70. And that is all that we charged on the card last week. I told y'all I've been really trying to keep that down. So let's go ahead and make our payment. Let's take a look at what we've got going on. Right now, our minimum payment is $25 due Friday the 3rd, but we're about to just go ahead and pay it some other way. I don't want to pay my minimum payment. I want to pay another amount. I wonder if it'll let me. This is so different than what I'm used to. So first I'm going to switch the account, and I'm going to switch it over to our cashless envelope account, which has $173.71 currently. And I'm going to select the date for today, and then I want to select a separate amount for the last statement balance, which was $101.84. So I'm sorry, 101.85, and then we're just gonna slide to pay, looking that everything looks correct, and your payment of 101.85 has been scheduled. So success! I successfully made that payment, and we're gonna close that screen. So as you can see, the numbers are gonna go all the way back up to our balance, which is 5,000, and that has been paid off. So amazing! All done with that. Next, we have our money in our wallet, and gas. I just bought gas yesterday. Loving my new wallets, by the way. If you are interested or you like them as well, you can find them in Salissa's shop along with the magnets, also in Salissa's shop, link down below. So I did get some gas for $20 yesterday. I didn't actually spend $20. I actually only spent $17 on gas, which $3 changed. So that was 10. What is today's date, y'all? Hold on. It's the 13th. So that was 10/12 that I bought gas. So that was gas. And that was for $17. So we were in $198.70, and we're going to add $17, and that brings us to $215.70. So that, oh, I didn't even log it. So let me log it here as well. So if I had $102 and we had we spent $17, that means I should have $85. But I did get $3 of change because I told y'all I gave them a 20, and I got $3 of change. I hope y'all can see that. And so when I did go back and get $3 of change, I spent $2. So out of the on 10/12, I spent $2 on like a soda. So $2 here. So 85 minus 2 is 83 because I put the extra dollar back in. So I guess I should put that here as well. $2, and that was gas / snack, and that was the same day. And if we had $215.70, and we $215.70, and then we add in $2, we spent $217.70. Could have done that in my head. But we should have $83 left, and let's make sure we have $83 left in gas. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So we have $83 left, like we thought. And the next envelope is giving. I don't think I've taken anything out of here. However, there's a few things that I want to do. So 10, 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Why did I do it like that? 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. $32 still in giving, and the last we checked in, there was $32. Now, the thing is, I think I want to put this to the bank. So there's something I want to buy that's going to be about $17, and there's something else I want to buy. So what I think I'm going to do is $25. Did that work? Yeah. $25 I'm going to put online. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what? Never mind. I'll charge it to the card, and then once I charge it to the card, I will then reconcile it together, and I'll move it to going back to the bank. Let's just leave it here for now, because there's something I want to buy for someone, and I'm like, I need to take it out giving, but I don't want to not have the money online, but I'll just transfer it when it clears the bank. Eating out. I was supposed to skip eating out this week, but girl, I did not. But I made sure not to spend a full like $20. So here's the receipt. I went to, guess where? JJ Fish. And I spent $11.01. I gave the change, so I spent $11. So the last thing we had was $46 on 10/4. So on 10/12, sorry, we spent $11, and that was on food. JJ Fish. We spent $11. And so if we had $46 initially and we spent $11, that means we should still have $35 left. And so 20, 35, exactly what I said. We have $25 left. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so there's $35 in eating out. Okay. And then we have fun, which, girl, we don't be doing nothing, y'all. There's still $40 in fun, which is fine because now with the iPad, I've been having fun on that. And so this will probably go to the down payment. Don't worry, there's going to be a video coming on like how I plan. Well, we talked about how I plan to it, but we'll see what the actual numbers are because I can see the Apple Pay in the iPad. So $20, $40. I want to say it's like $700 to pay off. Better than the $902 it originally was. And that includes the Apple Care and everything. So that's $40. Still in fun. And then self-care. I haven't gone yet. Y'all know I get the pedicure, eyebrows, all that at the same time. But I haven't gone yet. And so that's 20, 40, 60, 80. Still in self-care. As we started with, I don't think I spent any more money, y'all. I'm doing good. Okay. And then, I don't know why Back to the Bank has any money. Oh, Back to the Bank still has that money we saved from the challenges. And so 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That still has the $25. Use that when it's time. That might be something that like goes on a card and then gets taken out of here. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Literally, this is all the new transactions in that darker color. We're doing really well for the month. I'm gonna try to have another week like this week, next week, and we have currently up to $217.70. So the only thing we're gonna take out now is check for the gas money, because the gas money I said we were gonna use if at all possible. So you know we had started with $120 for gas divided by 4. So we should have 2 more weeks of gas left, I believe. Even though I feel like this month has 5 weeks. But 30 times 2, so there should be 60 left. So whatever extra we can use toward a challenge. 30, 20, 30. So another 60. So we have 10, 20, 1, 2, 3. We have $23. So I'm going to put that we took $23 for savings challenges on 10/13, and that leaves us with $60 in there, which should be more than fine because normally I don't use more than about 20 bucks. Thank God. Currently, especially with them not doing the fuel tax right now. Yep. So there's 60 now left in gas. I'm not gonna touch giving. I'll figure out eat out later because that is already behind in fun and self-care, and I can't touch anything because I haven't done this. Yeah, so let's just work with 10, 20, 1, 2, $3. We're working on the bookmark challenge, and I'm working on saving money for candy for Halloween, as well as just that random $15 blocks because we finished the fall challenge one. And so many challenges. So we can do 15. Of course we can, because change out of giving. So I'm going to switch out the 10 there with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll switch out the 10. And I give myself 10 and 5. Okay, giving, helping a sister out. All right, so we still have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we're gonna do the 15 on here. I don't know why I don't just leave this pen guy come out. I'm gonna leave the Sharpie in here. So we're gonna do 15 because we can. And 10 and 5, $15. That's going to, what was that? Save-A-Ween, just right on top. I'm so glad we put away the money when we had it last time. This is for 10, 13, same name. We're putting 15 today, which should leave us with $45. 10, 20, 30, 45. Perfect. We still have a few dollars left, so let's see what else we can do. Maybe we can do some of the 15 blocks. Ooh, crispy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The rest of them is raggedy. But we have $8. And so where is our blocks? This is our blocks. And I really just want to steal $1 from somewhere just to make it, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. We're gonna go ahead and do a 5 and a 3, which is 8, and we'll do that. So we only have 1 block here and 2 blocks there. So this block has all the dollars, and that is 10, 12, 13, $8, and 24 plus 8 should be what, 32? Yep. $32. And girl, I think I could switch back some of these dollars to giving with all these singles. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Perfect. So I want to keep the crispy one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to get the 10 back out of giving and put it back. There's 10 here. Giving back 10. We're giving going to be full of 10s, but I think I want to take, if we can get 10 more 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, not that direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So we're going to take another 10 from giving and put it over here. Only because I think most of the giving is going to end up back in the bank to pay the credit card when I buy the thing I want to get. So that's good. And so this should still be 32, which I can tell it is. 10, 20, 31, 2. All right, y'all. $32. We're doing great. We're doing great. But that is all I have for you guys today. We did our tracking of our expenses. We were able to do some saving. And that is all. I hope you guys are having a good time in October, that everything is working out well for your budgets and you're tracking all your expenses. I hope when you're watching this video, you've sat down to track your own expenses or do something fun or something you need to do, or whatever you were doing before that you kept doing it and you just watched along and budgeted or do whatever you need to do. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you've made it this far and you've watched a couple of my videos already, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, eight, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, eight. Okay, bye. Jazz hands. Love you, mean it. Bye.